Hello and welcome, guys. I'm here again with you live. So today we are gonna discuss about the variables in Python. So as you know that we are, you know, learning the Python language, and we did our first program in the last video, in which we learned about the print hello world functions and how we can print uh, any of the string values or any of the message. So today we're gonna learn about the variables in the Python. So is in the Python, variable is basically a data containers which holds any value. Any value means it could be numbers, it could be your name, it could be your age. So there is a different data types, so which already exist in Python, in which some of are mentioned over here, which is integer, string, and boolean. So integer is basically any numeric value, like any numbers, which could be your age, which could be your you know the salary, or which could be your house rent. So any numeric value, it could be integer. And there is another data type which is string. As you can see in my screen, the string, I already mentioned some of the data types. A string is simply a series of letters. It could be like, this is a Python data type. So how Python knows that this is a string value? So due to this, like this, and due to commas, inverted commas, it will know that this is basically the string. And there is also another data type which we call it boolean, and its value, it's always comes true, false. So here I highlighted another very important factor of the Python language, which is a variable is a case sensitive. So I think we should start our first variable. Let's see how we define our first variable. So let's start with integer, then we will move with the string and boolean. So let's start over here. Let's see uh, let's store a message in uh, let's store age in a variable. Like we took a variable which name is age, and we store my age, which would be around 21. So let's see how I can print my integer value in the Python. So just write print and assign not the value, assign the variable name. So age is the variable name, and as you can see, this is where we declare our variable. It's basically okay. So this is age is called a declaration of a variable. You can call it like declare a variable. So by the way, what I'm doing is with the hashtag is basically a comments, how we mention comments. This is basically a declaration of the variable, and here we assign a value to the age. So let's see, it's 21 again. It's not a joke. So this is the assignment of value to variable. Ass Assignment of value to variable, right? To my variable. Okay, so that is fine, I think. And here what we are doing, we are printing our variables. Print variable or its value, variable value, variable value. So let's see how this programs would work. Or we can set over, but I think that's fine. That this is the comment section that you will get to know, okay, what we are doing over with this and what we are doing with this steps. Okay, so that's fine. So let's run this initially. It will give you an error. Okay, so it says the name age is not defined. Of course we didn't define it. So let's see. Okay, so what's the issues there? I basically just for telling you, okay, this is the declaration of the variable, but I just want to make it comment like this, the hashtag, and let's run this program. So which is age is equal to 21, and we print over age. So let's see how this program will return me output. So this is basically there at a 21. Okay, so let's change the age again. Okay, so let's see that my age is now 25. And what you gonna think? So what it will print? It will print 21 or it will print 35. Okay, So let's see. Okay, before that, okay, so let me make it comment again. Reassign value. So I assign another value to the age variable. It was initially 21 and right now it was 35. So let's print it out and let's see. Print age. Okay, so let's run my program. Okay, so why is giving me error? Because I put P capital and it took P small. So as you can see, it gets highlighted green. So let's see. Okay, it's printing 21 and 35. Why? Because let me just, okay, so now before it was 21, right now it is 35. So as you can see, my initial age was 21 and my current age is 35. So when I print the age, it will not return me the 21. It will return me to the newest value of the age variable, which is 35. So let's see. So here it comes. Okay, so this is my one of the integer program. It's an integer program, and let's go add in the string program. Okay, so I think here there's example I said which is store in the variable and print that message. So let's see, my name is equal to so for the string I need to take my name into inverted commas, which is BMK. Okay, so I want to print my name. So what would I do? I'll just say print. Okay, so there's a problem with my caps lock. So let's see, and I just simply write my name. This is the variable assignment, and this is basically the printing. This is the string assignment. Assignment to variable, and this is printing. Print string. Print string could be anything. Okay, so let me just run this program. Okay, let's just cut down so it could be a little cleaner. So this was the integer program, and here we are working with the strings. So let's see. So it's printing the BMK. I want to change my name. It could be Johnny. Okay, so let's see what it will return me now. It's already shown. So you can reassign values to a single variable multiple times. Okay. Okay, so let's discuss some arithmetic operation with the integer variables, what we can do with the integers. So we can do addition, subtraction, division, and multiplications. Right, so let's start over here. We will assign two variables, like x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 10. And we will apply the arithmetic operation on both of them. So let's see how it's going to perform. So if I initially print the addition, so what I'm gonna do is I just simply put x plus y, and let's see what it will return. It will return me 12, but I want to do a subtraction. So okay, so let's just pop it again and just x minus y. I know that x is smaller, but we can convert it like 12, and now we will see what is x plus y and what is x minus y. So it will return two values. One is for addition for variable addition, and here we'll go variable subtraction. So let's see, let's follow the program. Okay, so the first program will return the 22 and the values will come 22, and here if I minus the 12 from 10 it will return me 2. And let's copy it. Let's check another arithmetic operations like multiply and the same like the division. Okay, so now it will return the four values. All the arithmetic operations have been covered like addition, subtraction, division, and multiplications. So now you can see if I add x plus y, it will return me 22. If I minus x minus y, it will return me 2. If I divide 12 by 10, sorry, if I multiply 12 by 10, it will return me 120. And if I divide 12 by 10, it will give me 1.2. So this is for the today. In this class, we learn about the variables just like a data containers. It could be different types like integer, string, boolean, and here we check out what is the integers, what is the string. The integer is without inverted commas. It could be any number. We can apply arithmetic operation on the integers, or a string could be any sequence of characters. You can call it sequence of character as well. So like your name, you can print your name as well, but in the inverted commas. So whatever the value you assign in the inverted commas, the Python will treat it is as a string. So that's it. That's for today, and I'll add more things for you in the next tutorial. Thank you.